Hello, welcome to Kin Evolution Academy. In this video, I'll be explaining the laws of indices. Now, the first rule says when indices have the same base, add the powers. So what it means is we have a raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n. Our answer is going to be a raised to the power of m plus n. Okay, because a and a are the same bases. So, for example, we have a 2 raised to the power of 6 plus, times a 2 raised to the power of 2. Our answer is equal to 2 to the power of 8. What we've done is adding the powers, which is 2 and 6. The second rule says when dividing indices with the same base, you subtract the powers. So it says a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n. The answer is equal to a to the power of m minus 2. So we are going to take 2 again as our a. We're going to say 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Our answer is equal to 2 to the power of 6 minus 2, which is f4. Right? Now, the third rule says when there is a power outside the bracket, simply multiply the powers. So here we can see that there is a raised to the power of m in brackets and it's raised to the power of n. For us to find the answer, we are going to say a raised to the power of m times n. In this example, we'll say we have 2 to the power of 6 raised to the power of 2 outside the brackets. So our answer is equal to 2 to the power of 6 times 2, and we get 12. The fourth rule says any value raised to the power of 1 is going to retain the same value. So let's say we have a 2 raised to the power of 2. The answer is equal to 2. Even if we've said 10 to the power of 1, the answer is going to be 10. 100 to the power of 1, the answer is equal to 100 again. The fifth rule says any non-zero value raised to the power of 0, the answer is always equal to 1. So what this means is if we take our 2 again and we raise it to the power of 0, the answer is equal to a 1. Even if we take 10 and we raise it to the power of 0, the answer is always going to be 1. 1,000 to the power of 0, the answer is equal to 1. The sixth rule focuses on fractions. It says when a fraction is raised to a power, distribute the power to the numerator and the denominator independently. So what this means is if we have a 2 over 4 raised to the power of 2, we are going to distribute the 2 to the numerator and the denominator independently. So we're going to say 2 to the power of 2 over 4 to the power of 2, and our final answer will be a 4 over 16. Now the seventh rule says when an index is a negative, put it over 1 and write its reciprocal to make it a positive. Okay, so we're saying that we have, for example, a 2 to the power of negative 4. Okay, we have to put this over 1 and write its reciprocal, which is a 4, to make it a positive. So 2 to the power negative 4 is the same as 1 over 2 to the power of 4. If a is raised to the power of x over y, the answer is going to be y root of a to the power of x. So what this means is If we have a 2 raised to the power of 2 over 3, it is equal to the cube root, sorry, let me fix that one. It's equal to the cube root of 2 to the power of 2. That's how we explain it. Now